For all of you that requested, I made a video on how to make square foot garden spacing template. You start by cutting a piece of cardboard or wood that measures 1 foot square. The next step is to draw vertical lines with a pencil 1.5 inch apart. Continue with drawing horizontal lines, also 1.5 inch apart, that will complete your grid from where you will start to cut or drill holes for the seeding spacing. Start by cutting a hole in the middle. This hole is the template for when you will be planting just 1 plant per square foot. Then continue on the corners 3 inch from the border, or where the 2nd and 6th vertical and horizontal line cross. With this, you will have holes for the spacing for 2 and 4 plants per square feet. To have the holes for the 6th plant per square feet, you need to cut holes where the 2nd and 6th vertical line cross the middle or 4th horizontal line. The 8th spacing is done by cutting holes where the 1st, 3rd, 5th and 7th vertical line are crossing the 3rd and 5th vertical line. Now you have only 2 holes missing to complete the 9th spacing template. Just cut where the 4th vertical line is crossing the 2nd and the 6th horizontal line. And to finish up the spacing template, for the 16 seed per square feet, you need to cut holes where the 1st, 3rd, 5th and 7th vertical lines are crossing the 1st and 7th horizontal line. Now that you have all the holes cut, you can write the numbers next to the holes so you would remember where is what. Or you can color code the holes by painting colored dots for specific spacing next to the holes. And now that you have a template, when you decide to plant your plants or seeds, just follow the holes, or put the template on the ground and place 1 to 3 seeds in a specific hole. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, the comment section is the right place for you. See you in the next video.